looks like a blessbok.
Ah oui, ils sont en train de manger, je veux dire.
It's very fresh today.
Yeah, they've basically just killed it this morning somewhere.
What is it, a blessbok?
A blessbok.
What is a blessbok?
Let me show you what it looks like. It's the only thing that we have with a white belly like that. That's what a blessbok looks like.
It's rare, we didn't see it.
Yeah, we didn't see any of these around.
Yeah, there is a park in this country dedicated to that.
Ah, dis donc, je l'ai jamais vu manger comme ça.
So the blessbok, you can see the white belly there. Just that bottom of the belly is white and the dark upper part. It's the only animal we have the white belly like that. Oryx has got a white belly, but it's not that dark. Oryx is grey.
It's a rare and
There are 3 lions.
There's 3 youngsters in here.
Yeah.
And then the mother is lying over there. And then the other female and the male is over there. So there's lions all over this dam this morning.
Oh, c'est super.
But they are big enough so that
They
they have cats that by themselves.
Yeah, they will be able to catch it by themselves. They're almost 2 years of age. Happy to leave them.
Yes.
Just finished inside.
Just want to check and make sure. Can you see the little cub?
yes, very small.
At her front feet.
Well.
He's sleeping, he's hiding from the wind in front of his mother.
Yes.
A little bit more.
The reason why I stopped is I've been driving over some branches which are
Oh yeah,
stuck.
that.
And she was reacting, she was getting frightened. So I can try, but I don't think we're going to see that youngster.
Better.
Oh,
Well,
she's going to get up.
she's moving.
She's
Wait,
gonna get up.
she's more. She's
She had understood what we wanted. Oh ouais, super.
Hello, Mama.
Oh, it's so lonely.
Il est pas gros, ah ouais, GD. He's very young, no?
You're going to.
Bad location.
Oh, yeah.
She's leading, you know, the pups.
Yeah.
Wow. How old?
6 weeks?
6.
4 to 6 weeks?
4 to 6 weeks.
We've only been seeing it for the last 2 weeks.
So they keep them hidden.
Normally they, even at this age, they're normally still hidden. Still too small actually to be with the mothers. As you can see, it's still drinking milk. They normally only bring them out from the age of about 3 months when they start eating meat. Once it stopped drinking milk, that's when they introduce them to the pride. But this one, it is this female's first little one. There was 3, only 1 managed to survive so far. Okay, happy to leave them.
Yeah.